Hey traders, let me show you a scalping strategy that I used to make $487 in under 40 minutes. All I do is look for a change in trend on a 1 minute chart, in this case from bearish to bullish and a break of previous market structure. And as soon as I see a deeper correction, I simply draw my Zorro futures pattern from a previous low to the most recent high and enable my automated trade feature. For this trade, as soon as price touched my entry zone, I was automatically filled into 2 contracts. I positioned my stop below the entry zone. My first target was the 1-to-1 and my second target at the pattern's runner level. And as soon as price reached my first target, I started trailing my stop aggressively higher all the way until my final target was reached. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about the Zorro futures pattern or like to join our free Indicator of the Month club, click the links in the description. Please note that all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only, and it's not an offer or recommendation to trade futures, stocks, options or forex.